To add the Rakuten extension to Firefox, start by opening your Firefox browser and navigating to the Mozilla Firefox add-ons page. You can do this by typing addons.mozilla.org into the address bar or by clicking on the menu button in the top right corner of the browser window. Then selecting Add-ons from the drop-down menu. Once you are on the Add-ons page, click on the search bar at the top of the page and type Rakuten into the search field. Press Enter to initiate the search, and Firefox will display a list of available extensions related to Rakuten. Locate the official Rakuten extension in the search results and click on it to open its details page. On the details page, you will see a description of the extension, its features, and reviews from other users. To install the extension, click on the Add to Firefox button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click on the Add button to proceed with the installation. Firefox will now download and install the Rakuten extension. Once the installation is complete, you will see a notification that the extension has been added to Firefox. You may need to restart your browser for the extension to become active. After restarting your browser, you can find the Rakuten extension in the top right corner of the browser window. Next to the address bar, click on the extension icon to open its menu and access its features. To configure the extension, click on the Options or Settings button in the menu. This will open a new tab where you can customize the extension's settings, such as setting your country or language preferences. By following these steps, you can easily add the Rakuten extension to Firefox and start using its features to enhance your online shopping experience. Remember to always install extensions from trusted sources, such as the Mozilla Firefox add-ons page, to ensure your browser and personal data remain secure.